Hi kids! Today we will learn how do we arrange things from least to most and most to least. Today I have to rearrange my things. Will you help me do that? So let's get started. I have a few jars of candies. I want to arrange them where the jar with the least number of candies comes first, and the jar with most candies comes last. So, which jar should I place first? This jar? No. This jar? No. Yeah. This is the jar with the least number of candies. So I will place this first. Now, which jar should come in second place? This one? Yeah! This jar contains more candies than the jar with the least number of candies. Now, which jar will come last? This jar, as this jar contains the most candies. Yeah! I have arranged my jars from least to most number of candies. Now, let's arrange these pots from the most to the least flowers. Which pot contains the most flowers? Yeah, this pot contains the most flowers. So I will place it first. Now, which pot should come next? This one. Now, which pot should come next? Yeah, this one. As we are arranging pots from the most to the least flowers, and this pot will come in last as it contains the least flowers. We are done. We have arranged our pots in order from most to least flowers. Now let's arrange these butterflies from smallest to biggest. This is the smallest, so will come first. This one is a little bigger, so comes next. This one is even bigger, so comes next. Yeah! This one is the biggest of all, so comes last. Yeah! We have arranged these butterflies from smallest to biggest. Good. Now, can you give a bone to each dog according to its size? Coo will get blue bone as he is the smallest and should get the smallest bone. Ben will get the pink bone. Dorth will get brown bone, as he is the biggest and will get the biggest bone. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!